In 90 seconds, we will create UI designs with text prompt. Head over to use Galileo AI and create an account. On the home page, type in your prompt. For this example, we'll design a smart home devices management app. Bot responds with a clear outline of the screens that it's going to design and asks for a confirmation. We'll go ahead and say yes. After a few minutes, the designs are ready. Wow, it looks very promising. Let's try changing like colors and maybe turning on dark mode. We'll go ahead and copy the designs and paste them into Figma. The designs are in Figma's auto layout format, making further adjustments very easy. Let's refine the design and create a prototype. Here's a quick flow of our smart home app. In a few steps, we generated UI designs with text prompt on Galileo AI. If you want these designs to come to life, be sure to check out my other video where I upload a UI design on TL Draw, and then with just a few text prompts, we transform the static UI design into fully functional code. Hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comment section, what would you design with Galileo AI? Thank you.